In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email notifications alerts in Moosend. Start by opening your browser and searching for Moosend. Click the official Moosend website in the results to make sure you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click Log In, then sign into your account as you normally would. After you're in, look at the main navigation and click the Automations tab. Automations are where Moosend handles hands-off tasks like sending alerts after a subscriber joins a list, a purchase happens, or a specific date arrives. This is the control center for everything we're about to set up. Click Create New Automation. You'll see two paths. If you want something quick and structured, choose a pre-made recipe, such as a welcome sequence. If you want complete control over the steps, choose Custom Automation to build your flow from scratch. Either way works. It depends on how tailored you want your alerts to be. Next, pick the event that will trigger the alert. You can set it to fire when someone subscribes to a specific mailing list, when someone purchases any product, or when a specific date is reached, like a birthday or an anniversary. Choose the trigger that matches your goal, and if the interface asks for details, like which list or which date, select the appropriate option so the automation targets the right audience or timing. If you don't want the alert to go out instantly, click the plus icon and select Wait a specific time interval. Set a delay that makes sense for your use case, such as 10 minutes for a quick confirmation or 1 day for a more thoughtful follow-up. Delays can help space out communications and improve the experience for your recipients. Now click the plus icon again and choose Then Send Email Campaign. This is the action your automation will take once the trigger and any wait conditions are met. Enter a clear, relevant subject line and select the sender. Keep the subject straightforward so recipients immediately understand why they received the email. Choose a sender identity that your audience recognizes to build trust and improve open rates. Design your email content using Moosend's drag-and-drop editor, or pick a saved template if you already have one. Keep the content concise, friendly, and aligned with the alert's purpose, and make sure the key details are easy to spot. When everything looks good, toggle the automation status from inactive to active at the top left of the designer. That's it. Your email alert is now live and will run automatically based on the trigger you set.